Hello all and welcome back. If you are a good Java full stack developer and aspiring yourself to work in big data technology, Trivature has opened its hiring in which your work will be based on Java and big data analysis. So before moving into the details, this is my new YouTube channel RKS EduTech. In this channel, I will upload a series of videos on off-campus hiring and share my knowledge on technologies and share my personal work experience in IT industry. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Moving into the details, Rivature has opened its off-campus hiring. For those who don't know Rivature is a software company which headquarters is in Reston, that is in United States of America. And moving into further details, here they have given the eligibility criteria. The engineering graduates from BE or BTech from CSE or IT streams only are eligible for this hiring, and you must be a passed out batch of 2020 or 2021, and you should have a minimum grade of 65% in engineering degree without any arrears, and minimum 60% in 10th and 12th board exams, and you must possess a good communication skills. Coming to CTC details, they are offering about 5 lakhs per annum CTC. For freshers, this is a good package in my opinion because you are getting a chance to work on good technologies and they are offering you to pay 5 lakhs CTC per annum. You will be given opportunity to work in product development side only. If you are good at basics of technologies, they will give you a free bootcamp training before you join into the project. I mean, once you got selected into Rivature, post completion of your assessment, you will be given a training before joining into the project, and there you will get a chance to learn about different technologies, and during this training they will give you a stipend of 5,000 per month. Coming to hiring details, the hiring will be in three steps. In the first step, the online assessment. The online assessment will be on logical, reasoning, algorithmic, and technical and coding questions. And once you clear this online assessment, you will be given a chance to appear for the technical screening, that is technical interview. And post your technical interview, if you qualify in technical interview, and you will be with HR for a discussion. So let's move on to the registration details. So before moving into the registration details, as I explained, you will be given a chance to work on Java full stack development and big data. And they are looking for almost to hire up to 300 candidates. So this is a good opportunity for 2020 and 2021 passed out batches. Don't miss this opportunity. So coming to registration details, you have to provide details, that is first name, your surname and last name, email ID and phone number. Please make sure that you provide a valid email address over here because all the communications will be shared to your email address only, and once cross check your email ID and phone number after you enter, and your state, your degree and your branch, and your when you will your graduation will be end. If you are from 2021 pass outs, if you are from 2020 pass outs, you can give your graduation end date and your university name and your scoring degree in percentage. So you have to enter percentage over here, not GPA. So if you have a GPA of 6.8, you have to multiply with 10, which give you a result of 68 percentage, and your 12th class board exam in percentage only, and 10th board exam also in percentage only. And upload your latest updated resume. The size of resume should be less than 5 MB. Once cross check the details that you have entered before clicking on submit. So after clicking submit, that's it, you are done with the application. So that's it for this video guys. If you have any doubt about this hiring, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try to reply back to you. So before signing off, this is my new YouTube channel RKS EduTech. In this channel I will make a series of videos on off-campus hirings and share my knowledge on programming languages and my personal work experience too. So to stay connected with me, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you in my next video. Bye bye.